Hi folks, here at Auto Outlet 99. My name is Dave Catrino. I'm here to tell you about the Dodge Journey SXT. It's a one-owner, all-wheel drive SUV, 3.5-liter V6, 5-star crash rating. It comes with a power sunroof, 19-inch aluminum wheels, and a rear backup camera. Just some of the options included in this vehicle. Again, come see me, Dave Catrino, at Auto Outlet 99. We're located at 1825 North Salisbury Boulevard here in beautiful Salisbury, Maryland. The number here is 800-418-4371. Again, Auto Outlet 99. Thank you.